Hi guys, it's Mari back with another tutorial on how to transform a men's t-shirt into a de-stressed t-shirt dress. All you will need is a men's t-shirt, a pair of scissors, a marking pen, and a ruler. I like to use a men's t-shirt with a thick collar because it gives the look a choker effect. What I'm doing here is taking the ruler and making a V. Then I cut the V out of the shirt. When I'm done, this is how it looks. Now I flipped my shirt over and I marked an inch down from the collar seam and then an inch all the way down the shirt. Once I made all of my markings, I cut on the lines. I tried to make the lines on the top longer than the ones on the bottom. Now I'm stretching the strips. This gives it more of a distressed effect. This is where it gets tricky because I ended up going back and changing my cuts. So here I started 6 inches down from the shoulder seam and then 4 inches down from that line, all the way down the sleeve. But then I went back and cut those in half, so really you can start with 2 inches down from the shoulder seam and 2 inches all the way down the entire sleeve. Also, you do not have to flatten out your sleeve like I did here. You can have it folded over this way. Make your markings with your ruler every 2 inches and then cut. After cutting, stretch out your strips and then do the same process to the other sleeve. Once you are done with the other sleeve, you are done with your shirt. This is how mine's turned out. I ended up cutting the bottom hem of the shirt in the front to give it a different effect. You can make as many cuts as you want, anywhere you want. What I really like about this project is that you can get creative with your cuts. So please get creative. Also, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.